Hello guys. So today we are back again.
We are making another video.
We are gonna suffer again. So sorry we
So
were
that
here.
is
Talkie yan.
Be ang baho ng hininga mo, te.
Shut up.
Be 100% yung cellphone. Ano yan? Igaganyan mo hanggang 1,000%.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Galing mo, te.
Here. I unplugged it.
Bibigay mo sa akin charger.
No. I'm not gonna give you the charger. There you go.
Okay, finally. Finally.
Okay, so we're gonna go back.
Okay. Why is there Shein? I don't care about chicken.
Chicken.
We don't
Wait,
care
let's
about
lay down.
Okay, we're gonna lay down, I guess.
Wait, no, like that.
Okay.
I'm going here.
Why?
Because...
Why am I here? Maya.
Oh, you're not gonna...
Okay.
Okay. I'm pressing there.
Okay.
This you're all saying.
Okay, so we don't care. I don't care if you hate me, but I love me.
Should I put I don't care? Should I put?
Yeah, you should. Wait, we should be reacting to sus TikTokies.
Wait.
Boss too lazy to type. Damn. Hey, are you even speaking? But what if pagtingin mo sa taas may nakasilip dyan, no?
Ay, patay. Sassy?
Yeah, sassy.
Pray.
Glisted, it's you.
Sus. Just sus.
Sus.
Freaky, you want...
Oh, sig, what sus yo?
Yo. Secret sus.
Why am I laughing? Hey, yo.
You're Russia.
Okay.
So you heard.
From
From USA's room. You heard sus noises from USA's room. And you told everyone to follow you and you guys speak in the door and then telling you say,
Help me.
Father? Okay, kasi Italy, Malaysia, Russia. You say France, UK, Indonesia, Austria.
Did that? I would never, man. I would never. What the
Maybe
flip?
Malaysia because yes.
Yeah, daddy, what the flip? Pwede pong pumunta sa langit. What in the Sigma balls? I'm a Sigma girl. I'm a Sigma girl.
Faints.
Ba, sino yan? I'm traumatizing. I'm traumatized by my own self. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
What if I faint?
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
What do you mean for?
Gotcha. Help. Ba't ang dami? Dandy sus. Sassy pa ka.
I'm out.
What do you mean? Girl kisser sus. You're kissing girls, don't you? What the frick is that back?
Yeah.
Kaya ako naman backshot eh. Kala ko naman you are gay.
Okay.
What's up, quiet kid? GBL. I love me some BL.
BL.
Be, maya-maya 10 hours tayo mag-record. Kawawa yung storage ng mama mo. I'm a Sigma girl.
Why is there MHA?
Is that fruity?
Intensive breathing.
Wait, what's that? Wait, what did he say?
You call me.
Hindi. Hey, yo! Hey, yo!
What if I said? Wait.
Bumbayad na ka.
Girl, no. Alright, they should make them sense.
So shiny, so strong.
Stop.
So shiny, so strong. You're not very Sigma.
That's true. They're really kissing a TV. T-posing in the middle of this room. And they're
Shut up.
everyone in their room with their girlfriend or boyfriend.
Paano pag wala silang girlfriend o boy?
Hi, best friend!
Paano pag arrows?
Ay, yun sa si Balko stop. Grab the post.
I'm not a romantic.
A cross, a candle. Of course, please.
Ba't ka mo, pag nagtitiktok ako, pag like, if I'm watching on TikTok, like, I see, like, Kiyosei times Philippines, like, girl, shut up. Stop, so good, may FYP, please.
Shut up.
Ba't puro Bandy's World?
Ewan ko.
Tapos,
Wait lang. What if I...
dream? Dream? I'm dreaming.
What?
Ba't kaya yung dreams ko biglang naging nightmare, no? Sabi mo, tignan mo ako. Pag yung tawa mo, bigla ka mo titigil sa taas mo.
More than
Oh my
one
God.
person.
More than one person. Malamang, ano yun? Isa lang? Balag.
Bro, memorizing them all. Memorizing them all.
Ano, sino si Pong? Pinky Ponky.
No. It's like... Forgot? It's like Sam's
Be,
best friend, I think.
Bea, lamig ka mo ng paa mo. Huwag mo dikit sa akin yan. Be aircon. Tommy, Sash. Sushi. Do you want some sushi?
Questioning life during a bed war stream. Bro questioning himself.
Naalala ko na naman yung anime drawing. Ginawa ko.
No!
Nung cringe pa tayo nun, nagawa pa rin ako ng dream match. Nakakainis.
No, you did. Yes, you are. Yes, you're
Yung
new.
kamay mo, te. Yung kamay mo ka mo. Wait, are you scratching?
Stop! I'm reading the damn.
Ano yung ginagawa mo sa akin?
Stop.
Ikaw kasi. Why, hello? Hey, bakla.
Hey, what's up?
Ba't na? May,
Just drugs.
si Carl daw naninirahan sa table. Ina. Stop! Table.
Stop. I'm trying to get the
No.
gay.
Gay!
No, you're not gay.
Nakakatawa yung mukha ni Jim eh.
Eyo? 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 Reunited?
United AU. Sabi nga si Jur. Be. Tignan mo ako. Teka. Being visual.
I'm hugging my pillow right now, girl.
Ano ko ba sikunan mo?
After months, you moved away from the dreams of your
Why did they move to the Atmel SMP? Uy, kasama na nila yung mga bading. Be, yung kamay mo. Hindi ko mabasa. I want to introduce you. Teka lang. To someone from a different SMP and they... Uy, Aaron! Si Iron to, si Iron. Iron.
Pakita ko sa iyo yung GC namin.
Be, naka-record tayo.
Yes, I don't care.
I
I forgot we were recording.
Bro.
Med.
Masyado ka ng addict. Addict mo, Med. Ay, lagot ka. Lagot.
Shit. 13:10. Wait, 13. Wait. Wait, 13:10. Anong 13:10? Wait lang.
Tatay mo.
Anong tatay ko?
Wait, anong oras na?
Di ko alam, be.
Be, anong oras na?
Ewan ko nga, wait lang.
Tignan mo kasi sa clock.
Wait lang nga. Wait lang. Ito ba?
Hindi, grade 5, Amber.
No?
Brr.
Ito yun ah. Wait lang.
Brr.
Di mean girl. Girl or brr?
Brr.
Nope. He did not. Dito.
Teka, ang bilis mo naman. Boyfriend? Yo,
Are you done
boyfriend.
reading? What's this?
Paano pag wala kang honor?
Meron oh. Bakit mamamatay ka na? And this is our nicknames.
Ikaw sa'yo.
You know it.
Dandy simple for you. Asosya.
Bro said,
Congrats.
treasurer na Sigma. PAO pero hindi naman nag-announce. President na walang kwenta. I can't. Paano pag may teacher dito?
Ay, banop. Ay,
Ano
lagot.
ba na? We're recording.
Joke lang.
Wait.
I was doing that on purpose.
My bestie. My actual cousin. Wait.
What Minecraft?
Ignore. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
See you on...
Wait! Before you post it, Mermaid Bell Cookie out! Bye!
Bye, Sigma.